She was a victim of sexual harassment that drove her to commit suicide, and even as police are probing into the death of former DU employee Pavitra Bharadwaj, the principal, who is allegedly responsible for it, remains completely remorseless, even mocking the victim and calling her claims nothing but her imagination.
You ask the person who has been, it's a harassment of the principal, not the harassment of the person that you're talking about. It's very unfortunate.
Look how this Delhi University College principal, facing serious allegations of sexual assault, is totally defiant.
Many people, they were probably misleading her. She probably had the bad advices, and that could be the only reason which I can think of. This could be a part of the bigger conspiracy, I see.
The principal, who's accused of driving former DU employee Pavitra Bharadwaj to end her life, instead choosing to mock the victim. And if this is not enough, the accused even going on to call the victim's trauma a mere figment of her imagination.
Was an absolutely imagination of somebody, nothing to do with the sex. It's basically a gross misconduct case which has been made open to the press time and again. All documents have been submitted to the inquiry officers and they're working on it.
But she has lost her life, she's committed suicide. Why would a woman, I'm just asking you, why would a woman just resort to this?
No, there was a big conspiracy going around since 2007 in this college.
Many took to the streets demanding justice for Pavitra, but the principal refusing to step aside.
Don't you think it is appropriate for you to just step aside pending inquiry?
No, it's a question of how things have travelled. It's absolutely first nothing to do with the kind of charges which are being levelled against me. Absolutely, there's no doubt about it.
But those close to Pavitra Bharadwaj narrating her ordeal, one that drove her to the edge.
पवित्रा को जब भी प्राचार्य महोदय ने नीचे बुलाया, हंसमुख रहने वाली एक महिला ऊपर जाकर के आकर के या तो तनाव में बैठ जाए या फिर चुपचाप बैठ जाए, अंदर कुड़ती रहे, या हम कोई ज्यादा पूछें तो रोना शुरू कर दें। इसका साफ साफ इंडिकेशन जाता है कि नीचे कुछ न कुछ ऐसा हुआ है।
Chorus demanding the principal's resignation and his arrest is growing, with even political class joining the clamour.
In normal course of law, the dying declaration is treated as the first listing and the investigations take place on the basis of that. The minimum the police should have done is arrest the principal and register an FIR against him. Unfortunately, not even an FIR has been registered against him.
But the man who's allegedly responsible for Pavitra Bharadwaj's life is not showing even a flicker of remorse.
I'm standing right outside the Bhim Rao Ambedkar College, and as we speak, a police team is right inside the college and the principal is being questioned. There has been a huge public outrage surrounding this incident, and the protesters here have been asking the principal to step aside. But when the principal spoke to Times Now, he categorically said that he is not guilty and he does not have any intention to step aside. With video journalist Manish, this is Prema Sridevi in Delhi for Times Now.